Garage door repairs, servicing and installation throughout the Edinburgh and Lothian area. This is Bassrock Garage Doors Limited. From up and over garage doors to remote controlled automatic garage doors, we have the skills and experience to get the job done and with the minimum of fuss. We take pride in offering our customers the best possible service, and you can be assured that we'll never recommend replacing a garage door when we can repair your existing one. Bassrock Garage Doors Limited. Get in touch today for more information.